Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as Assistant Professor, the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss about acidity, alkalinity, these types. The previous class, we discussed about the classification of pH scale and classification of pH. There are three types we are classified: acidic condition, neutral condition, and alkalinity condition. Today we are detailed about the acidic and alkalinity conditions. First one is acidic conditions. It's common in range when precipitation is high. The ionic precipitation when is high in particular soil, in the acidic conditions automatic occur. So it's a common region where precipitation is high. Then second point is higher precipitation leaches appreciable amount of exchangeable bases from the surface layer of soil. So the exchange complex is dominated by hydrogen ion. the precipitation sometimes leaches washed out some of amount of exchangeable bases in the surface layers. So the exchange complex is mainly dominated by hydrogen ions mostly. Acidic soil therefore occur only in humid region and affect the growth of plants markedly. Mainly humid regions. The acidic conditions mostly affected by um, humid regions only because growth of plants is very serious in condition. So acidic reaction is a serious problem in the growth of the plants. Then neutral soils occurrence where hydrogen ion just balance of hydroxyl ions. The balancing of hydrogen and hydroxyl ions is the neutral soil. Neutral soil nothing but 7 is the range. Then hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions are equal in concentration. So we called it as neutral soils. So we first we discuss acidic soil. The precipitation ranges is high occur in the soil is called as acidic soil. Precipitation occur means it reaches the bases in the soil surface layer. So hydrogen ion is concentrations are high in that soil. Therefore, they mainly occur in the humid region. That region, the growth of the plants affected markedly. The neutral soil is equal in the hydrogen and hydroxyl ion column. So balancing of hydrogen and hydroxyl groups. Then alkaline soil. Then alkaline soil. Alkali soils where the soil comparatively high degree of base saturations. Alkal conditions, base saturations, base means alkyl. Saturations are high in that soil is the soil is called as alkali soil. When the soil is having high degree of base saturations means that soil is called as alkali soil. Salts like carbonate, calcium, magnesium, then sodium also give a preponderance of hydroxyl ions over H plus I in the soil. When the ions are give more hydroxyl ion over the hydrogen ion in the solutions. So what are those ions? Calcium Ca2 plus, magnesium Ca2 plus, Mg2 plus, then sodium. These are responsible for the alkaline condition. When salts of the strong bases such as sodium carbonate go into solution and hydrolyze, consequently they give rise to alkalinate. Mainly strong bases among the calcium, magnesium, sodium is the dominant factor such as sodium carbonate go into solutions and hydrolyze that give rise to the alkalinate. So main factor of soil alkalinity is the sodium carbonate percentage is the main factor for the soil alkalinity. Then the reaction is as follows. Sodium carbonate equal to sodium plus carbonate. Sodium plus carbonate plus water gives rise to sodium plus hydroxyl plus carbonate. H2CO3 is the carbonate. Since sodium hydroxide dissociates to a greater degree than the carbonic acids. Hydroxide dominate and give rise to alkalinate. Since sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide dissociates to great degree than the carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is less degree of saturations compared to the sodium hydroxide. So this may be high as 9 or 10. So the ranges of soil alkalinity is mainly above the 10, particularly 9 or 10. These soils most commonly occur in arid and semi-arid. Acidic condition mainly occur in humid region. Alkaline reaction mainly occur in semi-arid and arid regions. So these are the discussions about the acidic reaction and alkaline reaction. So we today's we are discussed about the acidic reaction conditions and alkaline reactions conditions. So next class we discuss about the type of acidity. Thank you one and all.